I didn't go to Japan. I didn't rent a drone. I didn't book a flight. I didn't even leave my desk. One sentence, that's all it took. I'm one of the first creators with full access to Seedance 2.0, and I've been running this thing daily for weeks. Today, I'm showing you everything you need to know about the model that's changing AI video. At the end of this video, I'll give you the exact access requirements. If you don't meet them, you won't be able to use this model, so stick around. Here's what separates Seedance 2.0 from everything else. Most models force you to describe everything with text and hope it understands. You waste hours generating bad videos. Seedance lets you upload images, audio, and video references, and they appear exactly as you want them in your generation. To use this, we need to access Higgsfield. In Higgsfield, we'll have access to some of the best AI models to generate things like images, videos, and audio all in one platform, without needing to pay for multiple subscriptions. One of the new models they've added is Seedance 2.0. We'll go to the video section. I'm leaving the link in the description so you can get in. Once we're here, we'll need to choose the model that works best for us. This is more important than it seems. If we choose the wrong model for what we want to do, it'll affect the quality of our videos. Let's start with the first model. With it, we can generate videos up to 15 seconds long with quality that, as you can see, is better than many films. You can upload up to 9 images, 3 video clips, and 3 audio files alongside your prompt. Inside the prompt, you reference each file with an @ tag, telling the model exactly what each asset is for. Instead of describing how you want the camera to move, you just show it. Upload a clip you love, tag it for camera language, and it replicates that movement. Composition from a photo, sound design from an audio reference, all at the same time. This is the difference between describing a painting and handing someone a photograph to reference. Most people leave 80% of the quality sitting on the table here. If you just give it a simple text description, the result will be decent, but you're not using its full potential. A prompt that actually works has 3 layers. 1. Visual description. Lens, light, color, texture. What does this thing look like? 2. The scene. Where are we? What's in frame? 3. And this is the layer almost nobody uses. You tell it what happens every 3 seconds of the clip. That level of specificity changes everything. You go from AI generated this to, wait, did someone actually shoot this? I'm leaving the full template and all the prompts I use today on my free website. I'll show you how to get them at the end. Every AI video model has a breaking point. Fast movement, complex physics, light shifts, and it collapses. Morphing, melting faces, hands that look like abstract art. Before, if your clip lasted more than 3 seconds, it started deforming. Nobody's going to take a video like that seriously. This model doesn't collapse. Look at the fabric. Look at how light behaves on that surface. The background. The model invented all of that on its own, and everything in frame moves like it has weight. The physics control here has no rival. Not just characters with the right number of limbs, everything flows like it's a real film. That consistency holds for up to 15 seconds without losing quality at any point. That's not a small thing. That's the whole game. Let's say you want to launch your own brand of headphones. How much would it cost to make the ad? Camera equipment, set, models, post-production? Too much money if you're starting your business. With one prompt indicating how your product looks, you create an ad valued at thousands of dollars. If you already have your product or want to make an ad for an existing company, just upload a photo or describe it in detail, and it'll appear in thousands of eye-catching scenarios. Already have a video you love, but one detail could make it better? Upload it so the model modifies just that part without changing the rest of your content. Total creative freedom to create real cinema in seconds. You build a character. They look a certain way. Then clip 2, different face, different proportions. Narrative becomes impossible. We can take advantage of the high consistency this model maintains, so our protagonists or environments never change throughout the scene. The reference system solves this. Use your previous clip as a reference for the next generation. The model reads the character, face, wardrobe, build, and holds it across cuts. This makes real storytelling possible. Not just impressive clips, an actual story with a character your audience recognizes across scenes. Most people forget this part when choosing their video model, and it makes them waste time and money. Every other tool generates video first, then adds audio on top. 2 separate processes pretending to be one. Seedance generates video and audio at the same time, from the same model. The ambient sound is crazy. It matches everything happening in the video. We can specify at any moment what we want to hear and how. Plus, we have lip sync options. With the right prompt, you'll get all of them from the website in the description. We can make our characters say exactly the phrase we indicate. You put the line in your prompt, specify the language, Spanish, English, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and the character says it.
There. You see her? Go. Bring her back to me.
When the camera pushes in, the sound reflects proximity. When the scene cuts, the audio transitions. Because it was never a layer, it was always part of the generation. If your goal is uploading viral videos to YouTube Shorts, Reels, or any vertical platform, this tool is trained to perform perfectly. Seedance was trained specifically for 9:16 format. Not adapted, not cropped, trained for it. Anyone who's used these platforms knows there are hundreds of videos with millions of views. We can create them with a single prompt, and they're not AI slop. Anyone watching will be entertained. The composition, the pacing, the way it holds attention in the first 2 seconds. It understands what performs. Seedance 2.0, full quality model. We can generate videos up to 15 seconds with quality that, as you can see, is better than many films. This is your final output model. Seedance 2.0 fast. Same core features, but doesn't focus on small details, allowing much faster generation. This is your testing model. When you're running multiple prompt variations, use fast. When you found it, switch to full. If, instead of authentic films, we want to generate simpler videos that generate much faster and don't consume as much, we use the fast version while maintaining all its qualities. My actual workflow: fast to explore, full to execute. It saves me hours every week in iteration time. To use this model right now, we need to meet the following requirements. It's only available on their business plan. It's available everywhere except Japan and the United States. And to access it, we need a corporate email. If this changes, we'll be the first to inform you on our channel. Now you know exactly how it works and how to get its full potential. Now, like I promised, I'm going to show you how to get the free template with all the prompts. Go to my website with the link in the description, click Free PDF, select this video, click the button, and you'll have it downloaded. But there are also a lot of free options there I'm sure you'll be interested in. We have a catalog of free AIs you can use online at no cost. We also have our own AI tools directory where you have the best AIs for each task, updated daily and rated by the community to help you choose better. We're also launching our new blog with updated AI news every week. This is only going to keep growing. If you want to stay up to date with the world of artificial intelligence for free, check out this website. Thank you very much for watching today's video. See you in the next one.